Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the nature of law in political science. Today we will break down what law is, its purpose, and its key features in a concise and engaging manner. So let's dive in. What is law? Law is a set of rules, regulations, principles, and instructions that are created and enforced by an authority or government. It operates as the command of a superior to an inferior, where the inferior must obey the superior. In any country, these laws ensure order and violations are met with consequences. Purpose of law. The purpose of law is straightforward yet profound. It governs behavior, promotes order, peace, and stability, and protects the rights and interests of the society. In essence, laws are designed to maintain harmony and provide a framework for justice. Next is the key features of law. One feature of law is that it is enforced by the state. Unlike customs or traditions, laws carry the authority of the government. Another significant aspect is that laws are rooted in justice, striving to promote fairness and equality. And as societies evolve, laws adapt to reflect these changes. Now, features of the nature of law. To understand the nature of law better, let's examine its key features. First, law is the formulated will of the state, which means that governments create and enforce laws. Second, equality before the law. Everyone, regardless of status, is subject to the same law. Third, authoritative values. Laws dictate what must be done and how. Fourth, punishments for violations. The government punishes those who break or violate the law. Fifth, courts protect the law. Disputes are resolved through the interpretation of law, safeguarding justice for all. Next is the main purpose of law. Ultimately, the main purpose of law is to foster peace and harmony, protect individual rights, and ensure societal development. It promotes equality and fairness, making it cornerstone of civilized society. Last, laws serve as the foundation that upholds fairness and order in society, guiding behavior and resolving conflicts. Without them, the pursuit of justice and equality would lack structure and stability. This basically means that it not only governs but also empowers societies by promoting justice, equality, and progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.